Okay, before we start fiddling with the Wi-Fi access point, there's something that I need to set up on the PFSense router first. Because on the Wi-Fi network, the firewall rules and the DHCP server is not enabled. So I have to go and do that first before I come back and fiddle with the access point. So let's go over there and deal with that first. Open up my browser. Go to 1.0.0. What was it? 45.80.1. There you go. Admin. And password was. Okay, that was the wrong password. Okay. First things first, we have to create the rule on the interface. Well, first we have to enable the Wi-Fi. So click on choose VLAN 81 and then click on add. Go down here, enable interface. We'll call this Wi-Fi static IPv4. We'll give this 10.45.81.1 and it's 24 bits, and click on apply. And let's go to firewall, click on rules and check out the LAN one. It's got this one, IPv4 is enabled. And there's no rules for the Wi-Fi, so the Wi-Fi won't work. So what I'll do is I'll create a rule, the same rule for the Wi-Fi interface, this one right here. Click on copy, choose the interface Wi-Fi, and then go down here, choose the Wi-Fi net, and then change this to Wi-Fi instead of LAN, description, and click on save. And there's it. That's it. And let's enable the DHCP server on this interface. Click on Wi-Fi, enable. Let's give the range, let's see. Let's give the range, I think 50 to 100. That's it. And we'll click on save, go back and log out. Now I'll hook up the Wi-Fi to the switch. Okay, so here's our Wi-Fi access point. It's already plugged in to port number 4 right on the left side, end of the left side, and it's already configured. But what I'll do is, for demonstration purposes, I'll do a factory reset and show you how to configure that again. So let me go and factory reset that. There's a button, there's a tiny hole at the back of the access point, and all you have to do is use a pin again, just like we did with the switch, and hold down the button, press it, and wait 10 seconds for the lights to go out, and then let it go, and it'll do a factory reset. And then I'll show you how to do that, configure it from the start. And this is the back side of the access point. There you can see next to the Ethernet port, there's a small black hole. It says reset. We gotta press that. All right, let me just quickly go over the steps that I'm gonna do and take to set up my Wi-Fi access point. First, I'm gonna download the UniFi Network app on my Android phone from the Google Play Store. I'm gonna read the QR code at the back of the UniFi access point with the UniFi Network app. And then I'm gonna set the 2.4 SSID to lab1_2G. This is the lower end, bandwidth one. And on the 5 GHz SSID, I'm gonna set it to lab1. Let's install the UniFi app. on UniFi network, and it's already installed. I'm going to open that up, agree to the terms and conditions. Select account, standalone devices, click the plus icon, and I'm going to read the QR code from the back at the back of the AP. Allow. Request permission. Allow. Doesn't work. No matter. I can do connect manually. This is not working. Cancel. Connect manually. There you go. It's going to give me the default SSID and the password for this access point. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go to the network, Wi-Fi net settings, and I'm going to do, just in case, I'm going to add network, type in the network name, which was the default one, use security as WPA, paste in the password, connect. And it's connected. Now we'll go back to the UniFi app. Click on next, next, and it should show up. There you go. There's our UniFi access point. I'm gonna do some setting change. I'm gonna give some default password. I'm gonna give a default password because it's going to set this up as a default username and password to access that access point. Click on OK. Country code is OK. Device name is not bad. I could change it to UniFi AP, and I'll change this to lab 1 underscore the 2G, because that's what it is. For the 5G one, it says same as 2G. No, I'll change the SSID on that one as well. Call this lab 1. That's a pretty strong password. Scroll down and click on apply settings. Now it's going to apply the settings and then update the username and the Wi-Fi password and the SSID. And now it should show up. Click on account again, standalone devices, and it should show up momentarily. Oops, it's connected to something else. There you go. Lab 1. Type in password. Connect. Connecting. And now it's connected. It should show up now. Yes, there you go. Let's go check some details on here. Firmware version is 4.0.80. That's the latest one. I've already updated it, so no need to check again. I will enable the LED on the top. Click on apply settings, and we're basically done. And that's how you configure the UniFi access point. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want to really support this channel, and also check out the affiliate links in the description below.